Today guys, I'll be doing a review here dito sa Insta360 ONE RS. And it's one of the more versatile na action camera out there in the market. And I'll tell you why after this quick intro. So hi guys, I'm the Gadget Sidekick, and welcome back to my channel. This is the Insta360 ONE RS. And mabibili nito for roughly mga 15,000 pesos, and I'll be posting the link on the description box below. And a quick shoutout sa aking good friend si Kevin for lending this to me para matry lang natin dito sa ating channel. So first up, ito itsura nitong ONE RS ni Insta360. And para siya modular na pwede mo ikalas lahat ito. So dito sa side, you can see andito ang kanyang charging port, and of course, ang kanyang micro SD na slot. Okay? So, very easy to access naman. Type-C siya. And nandito sa taas, kanyang power button, plus, of course, ang kanyang shutter button or record button. Kita mo dito, pwede mo pang kapitan na hot shoe. And dito sa likod, ang kanyang display. Dito sa ilalim is kanyang battery pack, which you can latch it off. All you need to do is just pull, and tanggal na siya. Modular tawag sa kanya. And what's nice is pati ang kanyang camera na lens, pwede mo rin tanggalin. Like this, parang Lego lang. Astig. Now, there's a lot of expansion na pwede mong bilhin, like ito, extended battery pack. You can also buy something like this, a backpack clip from PGY Tech. And what's also nice dito is pwede ka magkabit ng external mic dito. All you need to do is just attach yung USB-C sa kanyang charging port para makapaggamit ka ng external mic dito. Like I said, pwede ka pa magkabit dito ng hot shoe should you need it. And this one is ang kanyang 360 na camera. Okay? So, pag bubuhay mo siya, it's just as easy as playing Lego. Kakabit mo lang siya, no? Like this. Okay? Then, kakabit mo ang kanyang battery pack. Yan, kakabit mo lang. Yan na. So easy. So, turn on lang natin. So, hold the power button. Yan. So, boot up na siya. So, choose mo lang mode mo. Okay. So, while you record, press mo lang ito, no? To record. So, pwede ka mag-spin around since it's a 360-degree na camera. Okay. So, you can switch your lens. Okay, like that. Or, you can do panoramic. So, during playback, pwede mo i-twist ito kasi this is a panoramic na camera, 360 degree, which is definitely nice. So there's a lot of modes to choose from. Photo, pwede ka mag HDR photo, interval, night photography, star lapse, burst, loop recording, bullet time, time shift, time lapse, HDR video, and balik sa photo. When you slide down, here are some of the menu na pwede mo kalikutin. And when you slide up, makita mo yung mga recorded video mo. Very easy to use and very flexible. So right now, pasyalin ko lang kayo sa Electro World para makita nyo itong performance, ito action camera ni Insta360 ONE RS. So guys, we're walking up the 4th floor of the Abendson's building here at Quezon Avenue for the Electro World Live. So yeah, it's a very spacious place dito. And maraming items and gadgets na naka-sale for today. So, yeah, pwede kayo mag-register dito to win yourself some prizes after mo makompleto yung kanyang card. So, this is the event card na pwede nyo i-complete to get some prizes after the event. So, check out natin, no, what are the in-store here. So, dito sa Samsung. And you'll get yourself to see the latest na Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5 and the Galaxy Z Flip Fold. Z Fold 5 pala. Just full display. And there's gonna be some activity here. Valorant. Gameplay. Yeah. So, si Logitech is also here. Okay. S23 Ultra. The JBL is also here. Okay, PlayStation, Sony. Realme is also here. Taking a look at the other side, nandiyan si Epson. Featuring some of their printers over here. Yeah.
Yes. Parang ganito pero ito yan.
So many of them are on sale. Okay. Okay, so silip muna natin other stuff. It's more of kanyang marketplace. So silip lang tayo sa loob, no? So we can see Lenovo Legion over here. Yeah. Slim 7 IdeaPad Gaming's here. Some of the gaming from HP Victus. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, Predator from Acer. Okay. So if you want to check out, pwede kayo pumunta mag-drop by dito sa Abençons, is the 4th floor. This is sa Quezon Avenue. And I'm using the Insta360 ONE. You can say, okay, pretty good, pretty easy to hold and very lightweight, and you can say pretty stable siya, even just using my bare hand right now. I haven't really attached most of the peripherals over here, but I'm pretty sure it's one of the better action cameras out there. So yun guys, nakita na natin ang performance nito Insta360 ONE RS. And I would say na sobrang gaan na dalhin anywhere you want to go. You can record 4K out of the camera, and it's very easy to use, very versatile. Pwede mo i-clip sa inyong helmet, pwede mo i-clip sa inyong bag, or kanyang backpack, or you can do whatever you want. Kahit lagyan na ng gimbal, okay din. But pretty much very stable kind of video, even just using your bare hand or just simply a monopod. So guys, if you're into mga adventure, this one is pretty much a very nice investment to have, si Insta360 ONE RS. So guys, kung gusto na malaman kung saan na pwede mabili ito Insta360 ONE RS, it's available sa Insta360 Philippines. I'll be linking all of their official links down there on the description box below. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and of course, hit the bell icon para din sa future uploads here from my channel. And so, ako pala si Richmond, and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. What's up? Like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. For one of my latest uploads, click the dito. And for one of my popular uploads, click here.